Up next on SciFiantasy, just a quick update. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from SciFiantasy.com and welcome to another Modeler's Tube video. So, first off, I want to say I hope you all had a happy Thanksgiving and you enjoyed the day with friends, family, or whatever it may have been, but I really hope you had a great day. So now that Thanksgiving is over, we're into the Christmas season and I've already started. My lights are up outside and going. The wife is decorating the house over here and the little guy is probably playing video games, Fortnite or something out there. So let's get on to what we have to talk about for Christmas. Don't forget, we have already done our Secret Santa swap. That's out of the way. Everybody's going to be swapping gifts for that. But the other thing we have going on is our Christmas giveaway. This is kind of like a contest, and it's not a contest. You got to be a registered member over at SciFiantasy.com. We've been doing this probably for about 4 or 5 years now. At Christmas time, I'll draw names and I'll give presents away to as many people as we can. Usually it's only been 3 because that's all I could afford, but we switched around the budget. Well, not the budget. We kept the budget the same, but I went looking for gifts that I could get more and give away to more people. So what we came up with is we're going to be giving away 8 of these guys. The 50th anniversary Star Trek Enterprise from AMT. It's 1/650 scale. It comes with the sleek little cover, and then that's on the back of it right there. Sorry about the scratching sound. So now there are kind of rules to being able to be entered into the drawing for this. One, you have to be a registered member at SciFiantasy.com. If you don't know how to do it, just get a hold of me either here, Facebook, HobbyLinkInternational@gmail.com, and I will get back to you and let you know. Once you are registered, you got to finish up your profile and jump on the community and start being a community member, because most of the guys on there have been there since day one and using the community, and it's only fair to everybody that you are a participating community member. And I don't mean just come say hi, one drop, and then you're off just waiting for a Christmas present. It's not fair to the guys that are there, and it's not fair to the wife who actually lets us do this every year. So just come over, join the community. It's a great community. Everybody has fun talking, showing their builds, doing whatever on the form. Well, it's not a form. It's actually a wall like Facebook. So you just post your pictures, videos, and stuff like that. And if you have any trouble, you just contact me or one of the guys. Everybody there is willing to help you out and get started. So please come over to SciFiantasy, join the community. Not only because of the gifts, because you want to be part of something different than the gigantic monsters out there, Facebook, Google, and Twitter, and have your chance at one of these guys. And I'm going to keep reminding you up until probably the last week before Christmas. This way you get a chance to come, use the community, and possibly win or get a Christmas gift from us. So that's pretty much it for the night. We do have more updates coming on the site, and those will be in the next couple weeks. So I hope you guys, again, had a great Thanksgiving, and I hope you have a great night. We'll see you all soon. Take care, and bye-bye.